Hello, this is my project, the library app for the multi-user client-server application CA5. And in this app, books are the main entity we are working with, and I've incorporated all the features mentioned in the brief. So let me quickly show you how everything works. Here we have the app main, which handles most of the main functionality. We also have a menu where users can interact with the app to perform various operations like adding, updating, deleting, and viewing books. And in terms of the database, the books table is the core focus, but I've also added two additional tables, which is users and loans. But yeah, for now I've implemented the basic features for these, just like I did with books. So now let's go ahead and test some of the features that we can see that they're working. So first we're going to run the server and first client, second client, and I'm going to test show you how at least two of these work, and then mostly just show the server JSON interaction, which is the socket part, and there's more features in there. So okay, let's go ahead. Here's the first feature, which is the view all books. Second one, find book by ID. And let's test, for example, this one. You can see it found it. Unfortunately, this one works only if I input the whole name of the author and not just a part of it. But yeah, so let's now look at the sockets. So here we have all the features. So let's look at the first three. Here we have the first one. Here we have the second one, which is get book by ID. And let's add book as well. So let's add Animal Farm by George Orwell. Let's just think of some ISBN, number of pages, rating, availability. So here we have it, server response. So originally the app was designed for one client, but since the project is meant to be a multi-client application, I had to modify things a bit. And the problem was that AppMain was acting as both a client and a server, which caused some issues when adding another client. I had to move a lot of things around, and at one point it became a bit of a mess. But with the help of the client handler we have over here, I was able to make it work, so it allows multiple clients to communicate with the server simultaneously. I also added a custom exception class called DAO exceptions. This helps manage any issues with the data access, and it's especially helpful because, as we know, there's bound to be many errors when dealing with databases or any kind of external systems. So having this kind of exception in place allows us to catch errors very easily and early on, and gives us a clear feedback on exactly where they're coming from.